EasyJet. Yeah, it's an EasyJet.
Was that landing?
I'm not sure. I think there's a Thomas in front of us, maybe. Or another Thomas Cook.
Oh God, you can feel that engine. I see. Stop. It's really good. I might cry. Andrew, very nice. No. Science.
It's the cat. The code for something, I don't know. Code of a runway is something like that. I can't remember. I used to know, but I can't remember now. I bet there's going to be a baby crying. Oh, kill it with fire. Shame. What a shame. I don't know, I can't see. Could be one landing, yeah.
Would it go round the other way around? It'll land that way.
Landing that way, takeoff that way.
But you won't actually see it landing.
Yeah, because the touchdown area is just opposite us, I think. Maybe a little further down. Yeah. Hold it up. There we go. Yeah, it's only a small little prop plane.
And it just kind of came the other way.
That way. Yeah. Yeah, it was small and not really anything exciting.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're just waiting for another aircraft to land and hopefully it should be our turn.
Look at that dot of water. Wow. Gorgeous.
Help, I need help, help, I need help.
Yeah, you do need help. Ah, Ryanair. Yeah. Yes.
And we're all done.
Yeah. Let's pay to have a wee. Yeah.
It's a Brian. School day today, Mum would send me to school as soon as I got home. I go to school.
Here we go.
Too much for me. Full speed ahead now. Like this part. I hate taking.
Come on, my car's faster than this.
Yeah, right. Lives next to this airport.
No, they probably love it.
I hate it.
I would love it. Yeah.
Oh, I think I would just be sick.
And that proves to you that phones don't do anything to the plane.
No, what?
Phones don't do anything to the plane. Bristol. You can see the centre of Bristol from here.
Everything is flat.
Can you see yeah, it's Bristol.
What? gentlemen, the crew have now been released to commence their in-flight duties. Could you please remain seated until the seatbelt signs have been switched off? We have a great team working on board this flight to Antalya. My name is Jaden, the cab manager today. Going alongside me is Emma, Luke, Hannah and Pam. Our flight time today is just a little under 4 hours. You will shortly be handed a cafe client menu card containing our special offers. For example, you can purchase only 2 quarter bottles of wine for £7.50, or for an additional £2.50 you can upgrade this offer to 2 quarter bottles of Takeoff Prosecco. We also carry lots of sweet and savoury snacks such as Haribo, which can be mixed and matched, and 2 share-sized bags for £4.50, or snack packs which are also ideal to take with you on your transfers to resort. Of course, we also have 4 bottles of champagne that can be chilled should you wish to start your holidays in style. Please do purchase everything you require for the flight at this time, including any wines to go in your meal, which will be served after the bar service. We'll later give you the opportunity to purchase any duty-free goods, including cigarettes and spirits, all of which can be found in the Emporium magazine. If you spend over £60 on duty-free goods, we'll give you £5 off. If you spend over £100, we'll give you £10 off. We do accept cash in a range of currencies and debit cards,